Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Natak Baz.
This video has an answer to one of the most commonly asked questions: how to remove a logo or a watermark from any video or image. Let's begin with opening the software. The software I'm using is Apowersoft Watermark Remover. This is the home screen from where you can select your desired tools. First, I'm selecting remove watermark from image. Click on plus button to add your desired image. So this is the picture I'm trying. A little bit description about the options that you can use. There are two methods to remove a watermark: the AI watermark removal or the regular watermark removal. I prefer the regular watermark removal. Up now, select the area you want to remove from your picture like this and draw a square over the logo or the watermark. A little bit adjustment and done. In fully activated version, you can select more than one areas in any picture. So I'm selecting another area. I'm selecting this line. Highlight the area you want to remove. When we are done, click on convert button. Conversion finished. Now let's check our picture. This is the new version or edited picture. Let's check it. See, both of the selected areas have been removed from the picture without causing any major impact on the picture. Now let's go back to home screen again. Now I'm selecting remove watermark from video. The same method, click on plus button, add your desired media file. Now play the video. Highlight the area you want to remove from the video. I am selecting this logo of the channel. Slightly adjust exactly around the logo. When you are done, click on convert button. Here you can see the progress of the video being processed. By default, the video is saved in the origin folder, or you can select your custom folder as well. So the conversion finished. Now let's check our video. Open folder. This is our new video. Now let's check by playing the video. See, here you can see there is no logo of the channel present. The area which we select has been removed successfully. Let's play the original video again. So here you can see top left corner there our logo of the channel was present, and in our new edited video there is no logo of the channel present. The area we selected has been removed. So that's all. It's how you can remove the logo or watermark from any picture or video. The details about this software I have added in my Pinterest account. You can check there. Thank you.